In 1b, we started doing the derivatives part and using the first principle concept. We have seen x square law, everything is over, and we have completed sin x, cos x and tan x. Today in this video we will see cot x remaining ratios. Now, okay dear. F of x is equal to cot x. F of x plus h is cot of x plus h. By h. So what will happen? By h, limit h tends to 0. Okay, our formula is this. Cot can be written as by cos by sin. H tends to 0. Therefore, this becomes sin x cos of x plus h minus cos x by h into sin x, limit h tends to 0. So which formula? Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Sin of a minus b. This is a sir, this is b. What sir? Sin of x minus h. A ante x sir, b ante x plus h. So x minus h, because a x minus of x plus h by h into sin of sin x, right? Right, now what will happen? X will get cancelled, minus h by h, you write the limit, h tends to 0, limit h tends to 0, x plus h into limit h tends to 0, 1 by sin x. అంటే separate చేస్తాం. Sin theta by theta 1, but ఇక్కడ ఏమున్నది సార్? మైనస్ సైన్. సో మైనస్ 1 into sin theta by theta 1, because minus sign is there, minus 1 by sin x, 1 by sin x. 1 by sin x is cosecant x, 1 by sin x is cosecant x. Cosecant x into cosecant x minus cosecant square x. Therefore, f of x is equal to cot x, f dash x is equal to minus cosecant square x. Right? Cot 2x, 2x plus 2h by h. So this will be by h. Same procedure, sir. So again minus by h into 2x plus 2h sin 2x. Okay, same formula, sir. Sin a cos b minus cos a. ఇక్కడ LCM తీసుకున్నాం సార్, క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్, సింప్లిఫికేషన్. Same procedure. H tends to 0. This is a, this is b. Only change sin A cos B minus cos A sin B is equal to sin of A minus B. A అంటే ఏంటి సార్ ఇది. సో sin of 2x minus 2h by h into sin of 2x plus 2h sin of 2x. Limit h tends to 0. So 2x will get cancelled. Sin of minus 2h by h, limit h tends to 0, 1 by into two x. So sin theta by theta 1. So minus 2 into h is 0. So 1 by sin 2x into 1 by 2x. Again 1 by sin is cosecant అంటే ఏమవుతుంది సార్ minus 2 cosecant square 2x. So f of x is equal to cot 2x, f dash x is equal to minus 2 cosecant square 2x. So cot x minus cosecant square x, cot 2x minus 2 cosecant square 2x. ఇక్కడ అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి సార్, సేమ్ ప్రొసీజర్. ఇక్కడ మైనస్ 2h ఉన్నారు కాబట్టి మైనస్ 2 వచ్చింది. ఇందాక మైనస్ h కాబట్టి మైనస్ 1 వచ్చింది. ఇక్కడ మైనస్ 2h ఉన్నారు కాబట్టి మైనస్ 2 వచ్చింది. ఓకే, ప్లీజ్ నోట్ ఆన్ దిస్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, f of x is equal to secant x. Secant x plus h by h. Observe this one. So secant to cosecant, careful ga listen here. Secant x plus h distance. Secant is nothing but 1 by cos x by h. h tends to 0. ఇక్కడ న్యూమరేటర్ LCM cos x here, cos x minus cos of x plus h by h. ఇక్కడ LCM answer cos of x plus h into cos x. So cos x will come here, minus of cos of x plus h by h. Now here which formula I am applying? Cos c minus cos d minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2 from trigonometry. Cos c minus cos d. So numerator will become minus 2 sin, c is this, d is this, x plus h by 2 into sin of x minus h by 2 by, now everything I'll put in a denominator, h into, this also will come into denominator, x plus h cos x. So ఏం చేశాను, cos c minus cos d formula, then put the limit, h tends to 0, minus 2 sin x plus x is 2x plus h by 2, x and x will get cancelled, minus h by 2 by h into I'll write here, so what will happen, cos of x plus h cos x h. Alright, so just rearrange the terms carefully. So minus 2 into 1 by 1 I am writing here, by 2, right, into 1 by cos of x plus h into 1 by cos x into limit s tends to 0. I'll write here 1 by 1 I'll write. Sine of into limit h tends to 0 1 by cos x plus h into 1 by cos x into limit h tends to 0 sine minus h by 2 by h. So 4 terms వస్తాయి సార్ 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So now h is equal to 0. h is equal to 0 అన్నప్పుడు 0 2x by 2 is sin x into 1 by cos x into one more 1 by cos x is there sir into observe here sin theta by theta 1 but here minus h by 2 is there so minus 1 by 2 will come. Clear sir, ఇక్కడ minus h by 2 ఉంది so అంటే minus 1 by 2 వస్తుంది. Minus into minus will get cancelled, 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So sin by cos is tan x into 1 by cos x is secant x. 2 will get cancelled minus. So sin x by cos x is tan x, 1 by cos x is secant x. So f of x is equal to secant x, f dash x is equal to secant x tan x. Right? What is f of x is equal to secant x, f dash x is equal to secant x tan x. Okay, chala important sir, secant x. Okay, please note on this. Next, f of x is equal to secant 2x. f of x is equal to secant 2x. x plus 2h. Okay. By h. By h. Limit h tends to 0. Right? Again, this is nothing but 1 by minus cos 2x by h. Limit h tends to 0. Again LCM sir. 2x 2h by direct resistance sir. Now I am writing indirectly into h. This comes to so cos c minus cos d c minus d by 2. Okay, now c means what? 2x plus 2x plus 2h by 2 sin of 2x minus 2x minus 2h by 2 divided by cos of first one ardham hote second one same procedure sir. Instead of x we are writing 2x into h. Limit h tends to 0 minus 2 into 4x plus 2h by 2 into 2x get cancelled, 2h by 2 anta h, so minus h by cos of 2x plus 2h. So first one ardham avute chalu sir, second one automatically it will come. Now separate them. First numerator by 2 into limit h tends to 0 1 by cos 2x plus 2h into 1 by cos 2x into limit s tends to 0 sin minus h by h, right? So minus 2 into h is equal to 0 అంటే ఇది 0 అయిపోతుంది సార్. 4x by 2 is 2x into here h is equal to 0 means 1 by cos 2x into 1 by cos 2x and here sin theta by theta 1 because here minus is there, so minus 1. So minus of minus become plus, sin by cos is tan, 1 by cos is secant. Therefore f of x is equal to secant 2x, f dash x is equal to tan 2x secant 2x, right? So today in this video we have seen cot and secant, sir. Okay, these are very very important. Okay, we have seen tan when we have completed, sin is over, cos is over, tan is over, cot is over, secant is over. Last one is cosecant is there, so we have to see cosecant. With that the basic formulas will be over. I will be giving all the formulas. Everybody should learn that compulsorily. Okay, that is most important, sir.